viewers, welcome to Harika's home cooking. I'm going to show you how to make Rava Dosa with onions. So, without any ado, let's start the recipe. I'm going to blend all these ingredients in the blender. So I'm taking the blender mixie jar and adding 3 green chilies and 1 inch of ginger chopped into pieces, and I'm adding 1 stem of whole curry leaves, and I'm also adding some few coriander leaves, but if you don't like the flavor of the coriander leaves, you can skip this part. This is optional. And then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and add a little bit of water to it and blend into a smooth paste. If you like some pieces and chunks in the dosa, make sure you're not making it too much blending. So just turn it 2 to 3 times and leave it. So here is the paste after blending it. Now I'm taking a bowl. I'm adding 2 cups of rice flour and 1 cup of Sooji, which is also called as Rava. This is not roasted. I'm using unroasted Rava for this recipe, and also using 3/4 cup of Maida, which is also called as all-purpose flour. And this is the paste which we already blended, and add everything together. And the next ingredient is salt. I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt is according to your taste. Please, I can't say you the accurate amount of salt to add. Depends upon your taste. And this is buttermilk. I added 4 tablespoons of curd and added water in it and whisk it properly. Make sure there are no lumps in the curd, and add the water, rest of the ingredients next. So now I'm using water for mixing it properly. So better use this kind of egg beater so that all the ingredients will blend together properly. So mix it well. So keep on adding water little by little and keep on mixing it. And we are looking for something like this kind of texture, like I'm looking for runny texture. You have to add a little more water and keep it aside for a while so that the rava soaks the water and the batter becomes thickened. And if you think your batter is thickened, add some more water. So it's time to make our dosas now. And this is a cast iron pan which we make dosas on top of this, and this pan gives you really yummy and crispy dosas. So I spread a little bit of oil and also some onions, and after putting some onions, wait just for a few seconds and then put this batter on top of that. There is no particular way to make these dosas. Just spread the ladder of the batter around and just fill the holes and leave it alone. If you want, you can spread a little more oil for more crispiness, and just leave it alone until you see the brown edges. Look, this is the right time to flip your dosa. And we are not flipping these dosas, we just take it out like this, and this is ready to eat, and it's very crispy. And you can see all these onions are really well cooked with crispy texture, and the dosa turned out really crispy. And this is ready to serve with the coconut chutney. Looks yummy. So our yummy crispy dosas are ready to serve with coconut chutney. Look at them, they are so crispy and yummy. Do try these dosas and enjoy them. Please share, like, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.